Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be planting in our big 3x6 raised beds today. I've got a lot of stuff that I want to get in there, and I'm also going to be sowing some seeds and in between what I'm planting. These beds are going to be a mix between like peppers, eggplants, and herbs. So let's go ahead and get started. So the beds are all planted, and let's just go through it. We've got nasturtium, basil, lemon balm, sorry. I have not planted these two Ciearra oregano because they're ornamental, and I think that they should go someplace else. But I've got cilantro, a couple of different squashes. I've got summer squashes and winter squashes. These are container varieties, which means they stay smaller. I've got some basil emerald towers, which stay, I think they get about 3 feet tall, but they're narrow. We've got some marigolds, well, not all kinds of peppers, but we got big gem chilies. We've got autumn touch amaranth. There's eucalyptus, garlic from last year, eggplants, more oregano, sage, and what else? I'm trying to see if there's anything else that I planted in this bed. Spicy globe basil. I'm trying to make the beds as herby as possible to deter pests from climbing into the beds. I'll have these up for as long as possible until the plants, you know, reach the height of this, and then I'll remove it. And then I'm also going to add some to this bed too. I've got them over there. So we've got the same in this bed. We've got peppers, marigolds, winter and summer squash, patty pan squash, nasturtiums, big gem chili peppers. We've got dill in this bed, which is different from the others. I planted carrot seeds, a kaleidoscope mix from Murphy, and then I also planted beet seeds, which are over here with the sage. That's rosemary, with rosemary. Eggplant everywhere, and I just want these beds to just feel very full, very herby, and take up all of the space. I don't want any empty space in these beds. I want to fill them as to capacity, I guess. And then yeah, so during the season, if I see any empty spots, I'll probably add some more. I do plan to get a cattle panel to go from this bed to that bed, and then I'll put probably either a cherry tomato on that, or some sort of trailing bean plant, like a pole bean of some sort. So yeah, it's all done. I'm excited. I do have a few things left over that I'm going to stick into the landscape or into pots, but I'm super excited. I'm ready to start seeing these beds come alive. And I didn't want these seedlings sitting in their pots for too long. I made that mistake last year because I was very indecisive about where to plant stuff. And then I think that caused my plants to struggle a bit because they got severely root bound in their pots. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is probably all that I'm going to get done today because we have rain in between. But yeah, I'm so excited and I can't wait to show you guys the updates on those two beds. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!